In today's video, I am going to explain Hello World program in Python programming language. For doing so, we have to first start the IDLE for Python. So I am going to use Python 3.4. Python is a high-level programming language. It uses interpreter for the execution of its program. We can write our programs in two modes. First is interactive mode, which you can see in front of you, and the script mode, which I will be explaining later on. In interactive mode, the interpreter uses this chevron, which is a prompt, to indicate that it is ready to accept the new statement. So let's write our program. Print. Now here print is a function which is inbuilt function for displaying anything on the screen. So I will be passing a string hello world, then press enter. As you can see, output is displayed on the screen. In this interactive mode, the advantage is that you can execute your statements one at a time, which is helpful for debugging purpose, but you cannot save your programs. For saving, you have to use the script mode. For doing so, go to File and then click on New File. Now write your program, the same statements, hello world, save your program. So go to File and then Save. You can save anywhere you want. I am going to save my program in desktop. So write your program name. Hello.py is the extension for Python programs. Click on save. Now your program is saved in desktop. For running, you can press F5, or you can do in this way also. See, the Python shell is restarted and it has executed our program. So as you can see, our script mode Python program can be executed in Python IDLE, but we can also execute our program using command prompt. First I will close the IDLE. You can see here our program is ready, but if I click on the program, it cannot display the output. I will explain in further video how to make this program display the output, but for time being, let's use command prompt. Our program is saved in desktop, so I will change directory using the cd command and then name the directory name, which is in my case desktop. Alright, now enter the program name, which is hello.py, and then press enter. As you can see, output is being displayed and the command prompt is ready to go for next step. Our Python program can be executed in these three main ways. Further, I will be explaining you variables and data types. Thank you.